So here we're going to do an enclosure cutout for an OEM. The OEM would like 3 profile sides cut out, the top, the right side, and the left door. Here we're going to unpackage the crate with the enclosure. We're going to remove all the packing materials. Most will get thrown away. Some of the cardboard we will reuse for repackaging. From there we will lift the enclosure with the crane, slowly move the enclosure over to the Steinauer, and we will have to drop it onto its back and carefully lower it down, ensuring that the enclosure will not be damaged in any way. Here we are cutting the top of the enclosure. There are 6 access ports for external cabling. Each one will have a rectangular hole cut in with 4 mounting screws to hold each of the access ports in place. For the right side, an AC unit is going to be in place here. So we have 2 large cutouts, one for the intake of the air and one for the output. And then the mounting holes for the bolts to go through to hold the AC unit in place. Once the enclosure has all the holes in, we will deburr all of the cuts, ensuring there are no sharp edges, file anything else that would need to be done. We will vacuum the inside of the enclosure and make sure all filings and metal chips are removed. We will wipe down the inside and outside of the enclosure, ensuring there are no oil marks or stains or of any sort. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out to FrommConnect at FrommConnect.com.